so much work just to fix one darn broken leg. Now, they reupholstered this thing. They put new strapping, but did not remove the old stuff, because the old stuff is what was holding on to the springs. But this stuff is just ripping all apart. So they should have attached the springs to the new stuff. I don't know why they didn't. This plate's broken here. You can see it's actually got the section here broken out. Legs broken out. You can see the dowel moving around in there. Split where the wheel goes. This side is pulled out. This loops up in this joint and this joint. And there's cracking in here. Okay, this plate. So, let's see, I got splits running all through here. That side's perfectly tight. Not even a little bit of wiggle in it, but this side here is just completely messed up. And it's, you have to get all this stuff off to get in here to fix this properly. What irritates me is the fact that somebody did this fabric. It's an older fabric. It's been, something that was done probably a number of years ago. But when they did it, they should have fixed some of these issues before. I'm not saying this was broke, but I'm sure that this rot was already here. So that should have been dealt with. And they should not have spliced or left the old ones and then put new ones over top of it. If you're going to do it right the first time.